The normal low is The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for Northeastern Williamson County until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Jarrell, or 7 miles northeast of Serenada, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Granger, Serenada, Bartlett, Jarrell, Weir, Georgetown Dam, Sun City, Granger Dam, Fien, Lanaport, Hoxie, Hare, Wahlberg, Shortner, and Sandoval. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.